Hi everyone, yasas, que kalasirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. If you're looking for a quick and easy appetizer that's going to be on the table in like under 15 minutes, I got you covered with my pan-fried feta with tomatoes and olives. It's so easy. We're just going to be using a handful of basic Mediterranean pantry staples, and we're going to make something truly special. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, we're gonna begin with an 8-ounce block of feta cheese. You need a whole block for this. Just pat it dry and then spread some flour in a plate and press the feta cheese in it on one side and then on the other, and that's it. All you need is a light coating of this. My pan is heating over medium heat. I'm gonna add some olive oil to this, and once it's nice and hot, I'll put the feta cheese in there and get it nice and golden on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Transfer it to a plate and then quickly add the tomatoes in. So just a pint of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whatever you like. Put those in there. This is really by eye. Whatever, however much you like can go in here. You can put more or less. And then we're gonna season them with a little bit of salt. Cook the tomatoes for about 7 minutes, stirring them occasionally until they begin to burst and their juices are gonna start to release. You want them to be nice and soft so they're like a spreadable consistency later on when you serve them, but you don't want them to mash up in here. Next, I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves that are grated. Just warm it through in here until it's nice and fragrant. That takes a few seconds. I'll add olives. So I love these green olives, and then Kalamata olives, of course. You can use whatever favorite olives you have on hand. Make sure they're pitted because it just makes it so much easier when you go to serve it. A little bit of dried oregano, just about a teaspoon of it, and some crushed red pepper flakes. This is gonna cook for about 2 to 3 minutes longer, and then we're gonna turn the heat off, add the zest of a lemon and the juice of a lemon, mix everything all up. I like to make space in the center and put the feta cheese back in there. Let this warm through off of the heat for a few more minutes so the feta can soften up. I garnish this with some finely chopped parsley, and you can just go ahead and serve this as is or with some toasted bread. This is ready to serve. And there you have it. The feta with tomatoes and olives is ready. You can serve it straight from the skillet. If you have something similar like what I use, a cast iron enamel coated skillet, that's beautiful. Usually they make them in beautiful colors or sometimes in cream or black. You can also use a cast iron skillet for this, or you can just use whatever you have on hand, your frying pan, and then transfer it to a beautiful serving platter. All you need to serve this with is some crusty bread, maybe some pita, just so that way it can soak up the juices that the tomatoes leave, that olive oil, the feta. Once you cut through it, it just melts. The tomatoes also melt. Then you have a bite of the delicious brininess of the olives. They become a little bit nutty once you warm them on the stovetop. This is just such a delicious appetizer, so easy to make. Like I said before, it comes together in like 10-15 minutes, so you can't beat that. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I'll put all of the options. There's so many things you can do with this. You can turn the feta into a dip and make little crostinis. You can serve this with pasta. A lot of options for this. Put it on a mezze board, but I'll post all of those ideas on the blog post, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.